I have never drawn more ire to any single video than I did in my one recently where I covered how engineering can limit where you get to live in your career. Let's go over some corrections. Number one, when talking about chemi, I mainly focused on petroleum, petrochem, and bulk chemicals because these are the biggest paychecks. But there are actually tons of other industries chemis can work in which remove these geo-limitations, including biotech and pharmaceuticals, which are often located centrally to desirable big cities, the food industry, which is spread across the Midwest, close to where corn can be more economically transported and processed, and goods manufacturing, including textiles, which is spread all over industrial regions worldwide. Not only that, but of course, chemis are known for their problem-solving skills and can generally be hired anywhere they'd like to apply. While covering over a dozen engineering fields in under 2 minutes, I neglected to cover chemical engineering fully, but it really deserves its own video. Number two, in nuclear engineering, while I named several workplaces, evidently it sounded like I was suggesting they only work in nuclear power. They don't. In addition to national labs, which I did mention, nuclear engineers can also work in hospitals around the world, at startups, research at universities, or flexibly at design firms from anywhere. Number three, environmental engineers will find work almost anywhere, actually, and I'm really sorry I lumped it in with the geo-limited majors. They can function in water resources, soil and groundwater testing, drainage design, floodwater modeling, remediation, construction oversight, and many others all over the place. Number four, there is lots of aerospace industry in Colorado, New Mexico, and South Carolina, along with the regions that I did mention. And number five, last but not least, a commenter with 30 years of experience in one of the largest multidisciplinary engineering firms says his experience since 2020 is that every field can find remote work in design functions. My take ultimately is that if you have a burning desire to live somewhere particular, you can find work no matter your engineering field. It may not be as highly compensated, you may not find it quickly or easily, and it may actually be remote work with some travel expected. But you should not let that hold you back from choosing the field you want. Except for maybe automotive engineering? Did I leave out something big this time? This is Ruha with Future Chemi, putting out engineering info daily.